In this video, we're going to discuss the structure of an HTML document. So I've got a basic HTML document open in VS Code, and the first line here is just a comment. So that comment will be ignored by the browser. The browser is just going to essentially skip over that. The second thing that we have here is the Doctype tag. So this is telling the browser what kind of document this is, and we are saying that this is an HTML document. The third thing that I have here is this HTML tag, and this is essentially a container that's going to hold everything else in the document. So this tag goes from here all the way to the end. And one nice thing about VS Code is that we can quickly fold this up if we don't want to see all of the inner content. So to do that, I can just hover over on the left-hand side. You'll see the down arrow. Click on that, and it will fold it up so we just see the opening and closing HTML tag. I can click it again to open it back up. Now, a special thing of this HTML tag is that it has an attribute here. The lang is set to EN, which means that this document is in English. Inside my HTML tag, I've got a head tag that goes from here to here. And again, I can fold that up if I wanted to. But the head tag is typically for information about the document as well as linking different assets to it. So this meta tag right here is informational. It's telling us that the character set of this document is the UTF-8 character set, and that is fairly common. That is what you will typically use. There's a second meta tag here and with a name of Viewport, and what this establishes is that when we open up the document in our browser, we want the width to be set to whatever the width is for that particular device. So if we're on a smartphone, then it would be the width of the smartphone. If we're on a laptop, it would be the width of the screen of the laptop. And then initial scale means that when we first open up the page, we don't want there to be any kind of zooming, whether that be zooming out or in. Next, we have a title tag here, and this is something that you won't see in the main part of the browser. However, you will see it up in the tab. So up above, if you were to hover over the tab in the browser, it will tell you what the document title is. Next, when we come out of the head section, we get the body section right here. And again, I can fold that up if I want. Inside my body is all the content that we'll actually see on the page. So in this case, I've just got a paragraph tag with a paragraph of content inside of it. And everything else that we want to put on the page will go inside this opening and closing body tag.